Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and it is a very exciting video today. We're going to do one of two things. We are going to be starting prepping our raised bed, and it's our first time out working in the garden for the year, and it's very exciting. It's actually nice and warm. I'm going to take this off soon. It's a little breezy though. And we are going to be planting out some of my cold hardy veggies, and I'm also bringing out some of the flowers that I have started as well, and we are going to do a cheater style of hardening them off, and I'll show you what that's going to be later in the video. I'm really excited to give that a go this season. But first off, we're going to prep this bed, and then I'm going to have to go upstairs and grab the little seedlings. You're going to hear your heavy breathing in the video, Dex. Alright, I found a bag of manure up at the top, so I'm going to dump that on here, and then we'll get some compost from the bin. That smells good. Dexter's very interested in sniffing manure. Yeah, we gotta rip in it. You liked how it smelled? You want to smell my glove? Yeah, it smells like poo. Does it smell like poo? He's like, where are you buying it from other animals? We bought this the other day at Dollarama for $5, and it's more for the middle of the summer, right? It's a sunshade, but it has the metal hoops. But I have this that I bought at the other dollar store a couple years ago, and it is a frost protection. So we're going to put this here in this bed, and I'm going to use the hoops from this.
They're really comfortable. If you could have this second.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is going to provide shade and some protection, you know, if you get a frost or whatever. And here's the grow room. You guys haven't seen a tour in a bit. Everything's doing really good. The petunias going back to town. This tray is not so hot. I will admit, this tray has seen better days, but we're going to take it out anyways. And not this one, but the greens back there, the lettuce, and this tray of pansies, and then these here. So I'll show you once we get them outside. I'm actually more worried about the sun right now because I haven't seen the sun yet. So we can just tuck this over like this, and then we have all of our seedlings from upstairs. So here's one of my trays of pansies. And now I have to remember they all have to go on a bit of an angle because when it rains, when it rains, they're gonna get waterlogged. So then here we have a tray. Gosh, I don't even remember what's on this tray. Let's see. We have foxgloves. I don't think the larks ever sprouted. Nope. We have foxgloves, stock snapdragons, and strawflower. So they're just going to sit there. And this one is another tray of some pansies. And then we have some greens. I see dill, some different kinds of lettuce. That could be perpetual spinach, maybe? I'm not sure. I didn't label them. I figured they're all edible anyway, so we'll just eat them. Okay, Dexter, excuse me. You gotta stay out of the way, buddy. Alright, we have more lettuce. And this can actually get planted in, so I might plant some of these in. We'll see. Malva, and I think these are more stalks. Honestly, I don't remember. And then another tray of green. So I do have another big tray, and that has some of the things that can come out, but it also has a basil on there, and I don't know why I put my basil on the same tray. So I'm gonna have to take the frost sensitive things and put them on this tray, and then I'll bring that other tray out, and it's gonna go out here too. So I'll go grab that, and I'll see you back here in a few minutes. But what we're gonna do, I'll explain to this the procedure with this. I'm gonna get some little clips inside, and then I'm gonna probably cover them for the most part today, and then like tomorrow it's raining all day, so I might just leave it open. And then every day I can leave it open. If it's sunny, I can leave it open for a couple of hours extra each day, just to kind of harden them off by using the cloth. Just lift the cloth up and down instead of having to take them in and out. And this is kind of an easy, cheater way to do hardening off, especially if you don't have a ton, or you have a nice place where you can cover it with the cloth on and off and not have to take them in and out. Because these guys are up on the 3rd floor in my townhouse, and that's a pain in the butt going up and down every day. So I will go and grab the rest of the stuff, and then I'll show you what it's going to look like when we're done. Very exciting first planting of 2026 outside. So those kind of got put on there all cattywampus, but that's fine. They'll be fine. I have no idea what that is. Not a clue. So it's just gonna sit right there for now. Okay. And where's the other? Okay. And then here's the other stuff that was on the tray. This is one of my absolute favorite plants this year so far, and that is the strawberry mint. It smells divine. I started these from seeds I saved. I bought the plant a couple years ago, and then I saved seeds off of it. So there they are, all tucked in. I'm not sure what I'm going to use now to hook it down. I think I have some clips somewhere. If not, I can grab a pack at the dollar store to kind of hold that on nice and firmly. But oh man, I'm so excited. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, spring is here. Where do you want to? Oh, where do you want to go? You want to go? Is that the pet store? Are you trying to go in? You want to go in? Everything looks just fine.